Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It is Wednesday, the 11th of October, and I'm Nigel Croft. In this video, we're going to look at the charts on the DAX 30 index, which in TradingView has the code DE30EUR. What we'll see is that in the short term, we've become slightly overbought. However, it is positive that we did reach a new high. There will be a consolidation, but this will prove to be short term, and really the technicals still look okay. Let's look at those charts. So here we have the weekly, and you can see that the DAX has moved into new high ground, and we're having a slight consolidation at this level. Positive that we moved back above the 20-week moving average, and you can see that perhaps we're just marginally overextended away from the moving average, and you can see that the RSI is at 65.72, which it can go higher than. It is a sign of good momentum, good upside momentum, but just becoming slightly overbought. But the MACD on this weekly are not overbought. 20 in the short term has just crossed the long term, but it's at just above the zero level. Moving on to the daily. Here again, positive that we moved into new high ground, broke that resistance. We had a golden cross on the 20 crossing the 50, which was good. Also good that the 20 didn't go below the 200, which kept on rising, and it was in fact the 200 that gave the support back at the end of August and in the first week of September. Here the RSI did get overbought, I must say. It did go over 75. It has drifted since, and that's quite natural, and we were overextended from the moving averages. So actually this consolidation could go on further. MACD as well, the short term moved towards the longer term, well above zero, and still moving. That's still moving up very slightly, just a sign that momentum, even though it is positive, just starting to drift off from this DAX index. Moving on to the 4-hour chart. Here you can see we've drifted off. We were very overbought. The RSI went above 83, presently back down at 63.80, sorry. In its own downtrend at the moment, so be aware of that, but above 50. We're on the 20 average from this 4-hour. I would say if that doesn't hold, we may see the RSI go back below 50, which may see us come back and test the 50 on this 4-hour, which is just above 12,800. What's got to be remembered on the DAX as well is that we're very close to 1300. It's a big number, and you always get this big number syndrome when you're close to a big new number, and so it's no surprise there is a consolidation. And really, given the decline in the RSI and the MACDs, I would expect this 24-hour not to hold, and for a further consolidation. Looking at the support and resistance levels. Resistance from the highs of this week each day: 12,988 spot 8, 12,997 spot 6, with support on that 50 from the 4-hour at 1209 spot 08, and then at 12733 spot 13. So that's been TA for Traders looking at the DAX. The key takeaways from the video should be it's become overbought, it's losing its momentum on the 4-hour, still got upside momentum on the weekly and the daily. However, it was positive we hit a new high. I would wait for further consolidation but once we have that consolidation, it will be okay for further upside. And of course, remember, there is that big number syndrome at that 1300 level, which will cause the consolidation. Many thanks for watching. Please remember, these videos are for information only and are my opinions, and they're not an investment recommendation. Many thanks for watching again, and please do read the disclaimer.